southwestern Lee County until 3:45 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hissel, or 8 miles northwest of McKee, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Blanton Flats around 3:15 p.m. Trip Rock around 3:20 p.m. Layton around 3:25 p.m. Willow Shoals around 3:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Wyoming. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Estill,
Oh, Louisville got this alert. No, Yanni.